Hello and welcome to another walk with Avich, Adventures and Travel. Today I'm walking up the Avich Falls in South Argyll. So walking from the car park at Avich, up following the falls and to Loch Avich, which is a higher point. The Loch Avich flows into Loch. It's a 5.5 mile walk. Ascent is about 787 feet. And it should take us about 2.5 hours. Today I'm with my wife and daughter, which you will not see on camera. Please enjoy the walk with me today. Please like, comment and subscribe. Avich Trail is closed. Please use the diversion. First of all, it follows this broad forestry track. And that's the car parked down there. There's the Avich Falls. So here, due to forestry, there's a diversion. And it's been going on for a long time. So there's the diversion map. Not too bad, but it means that you cannot really see the waterfalls. That diversion sign, there's a footpost that says Loch Avich to the right, so it might be lucky, we shall see. Goes on to a narrower path here. Hear the birds singing. Lovely. So due to the diversion, we can hear the Avich Falls, but we cannot see them. A little bit down there, but nothing really. That's the loch down there. The reflection looks so good. So that's where we are now, almost approaching Loch Avich. Bird sounds of Argyll. Such a nice path, so much better than walking on the Lincolnshire road. Up we go. Top of that little hill comes out this big road, and then we go to the left just there. And here we go to the left. This is where the River Avich leaves the Loch Avich. Quite funny going up a hill to a loch of this size. Really calm today, so the reflections are splendid. Wow, wow, wow. Nice to be in the shade, a little bit cooler. A bit earlier, very warm. No wind. So at this birdhouse, the path goes to the left and up the hill we go. About halfway up the hill, swings off to the left, into the trees. Crossroads here, looks like we go straight on. Through the forest. That's where we came from. Straight on here. Bit of a plod back to the car park. Here we go off to the right. That's full circle. That's where we turned off at the beginning. The other side of the Loch, Avich.